Welcome to Bike Lane, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated rides of the year, the 2025 American Cruiser. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily rider, this machine is turning heads for all the right reasons. Design and styling. The 2025 American Cruiser stays true to its classic roots while embracing a modern aesthetic. With bold lines, a low-slung profile, and a refined chrome finish, it strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. Riders will appreciate the attention to detail, like the sculpted tank, leather accents, and custom LED lighting, that gives this cruiser a commanding presence on the road. Performance and engine. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, sits a newly refined V-twin engine boasting 1,800 cubic centimeters of raw torque. It's been re-engineered for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency without sacrificing that deep, throaty rumble cruisers are known for. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and a responsive clutch, the 2025 Cruiser delivers a ride that's both exhilarating and composed. Ride comfort and technology. Long hauls just got more comfortable. The new American Cruiser features upgraded suspension, a redesigned saddle, and advanced rider ergonomics that reduce fatigue on extended rides. Tech-wise, you're looking at integrated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a full-color TFT display, all seamlessly embedded into the retro-style dash. Safety and handling. Safety gets a boost this year with cornering ABS, traction control, and a new adaptive cruise control system. Handling has also seen a marked improvement, with lighter frame materials and improved weight distribution for more agile maneuvering, whether you're in the city or carving through backroads. Final thoughts. The 2025 American Cruiser is a true evolution of the classic American ride, powerful, stylish, and smarter than ever. For riders seeking timeless design with modern performance, this bike is set to define the next generation of cruisers. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more rides, reviews, and road-tested insights. Ride safe.